Hello, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, chapter 14, part 16, JavaScript data types, date methods, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Arish. In this session, we are going to learn about the date methods in JavaScript. So, the following table, it lists all the date methods of date object. So, in the next slide, we have all the set methods of date object. So in this session, we are going to learn the get methods as well as the set methods of date object. So the first and foremost method of the get method is date method itself. Okay, what is this date method going to return? It's gonna return like current date and time. So if I want to get the current date and time, then I should make use of this date method. So let me show you how to make use of it. It's very simple. Here's my HTML page and I have a script tag. I'll create a variable called dt is equal to, let me create a date, or let me do like this. If I want to get the current date and time, then I should, instead of alert, I'm making use of document.write, which writes the content on the web page. So current date and time, okay, is the dt variable which is having the date right now. When I do Control S, now I have to navigate to the folder where I've saved this page, and here is the folder. When I double click on that page opens in the Chrome and it will provide the output as the current date and time. It's very simple. So the current date is 7, it's December, Wednesday 2016, and the time is 6:16. Okay, this is how we can obtain the current date and time with the help of the date method. And we have other set of methods, okay, that is getDate, getDay, getFullYear. We are going to learn all these things right now. Suppose if I want to get only the date, then I should make use of this getDate method. So let me show you how to make use of it. Now instead of doing like this, let me create my own date. So the date is, let me take it as December, and it's 7, okay, and the year is 2016. December 7 2016, and the time I'll give it as 06, and it's 18 minutes and 0 seconds. Now if I want to get the current day, or let me show you, like if I want to get the get date, okay, if I want to get only the date, then how can I get it? It's very simple. We have a method called getDate. So what I need to do is, to this object, dt object, I need to call a method called getDate, okay, and what is the date? It's 7. So what I need to do is I need to specify properly. So let me go back and let me refresh. Here you can observe we got the current date, not the time. Okay, what we are doing is from the date and time we are fetching only the date. How can I do that? We can do that with the help of this date method. Suppose if I want to get only the day, okay, and in JavaScript the day, it's always starts from the 0 index. That is, if it is 0, it is Sunday, 1 is Monday, and 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Thursday, 3 is Wednesday. So how can I do that? Currently, let me go here, and suppose if I want to get the day, okay, and what is the get day is going to return? It's going to return, okay, the number from 0 to 6. Okay, now the day today is, okay, December 7th. So today is let me go and let me refresh this page. Okay, we'll get the in number as 3, in the sense in JavaScript 0, the week starts from 0 index. That is, 0 is Sunday, and 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, and 3 is Wednesday. So the current day is, okay, I want to edit here, the current day is Wednesday. Control S, let me go back and let me refresh. Okay, the current day is 3. Okay, now let me Go back to presentation. Similarly, you have other methods. If you want to get the year, we have a method called getFullYear. Let me show you that also. Get getFullYear method. Now I'll go here and I'll refresh. Okay, there is some issue like the method name y should starts with caps, but I've given it in a smaller case. That's the reason. Control S. Let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe the current year is 2016. Okay, this is how you can try with other methods present over here like getMinutes, getSeconds. Okay, these are the things you can do with get methods of date object. Now let me show you the set method. Okay, how it works of date object. It's very simple. So now if I want to set the date, okay, currently you can observe the date is 07. Suppose if I want to set the date, how can I do that? It's very simple. What I'll do right now is come here, then I'll take another variable and I'll name it as result is equal to dt dot set date. Okay, I want to set the date as it's 7. I'll set it to 24. Okay, now what I'll do is let me show you the output directly instead of specifying any string there. So I'll call that result variable here, Control S. Now I'll get the output as December 24, 2016, 618, something like that. Let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe we are getting some numericals there. So let me go and edit it. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, now instead of doing that, let me call that date object directly. Okay, you can observe it's Saturday, December 24, but in our date what we have specified is 7, but I'm setting it the date to 24. So when I call the date object, we are getting the output as December 24, 2016. Okay, this is how you can play with this set methods. Also, if you want to set hours, okay, currently the hour is 6. Okay, it's 6 p.m. right now. Suppose if I want to set it to 10 hour, I'm going to set it to 10. Control S. You can observe it's 6 now, but I've set it to 10, but I'm not getting the output. So let me go back. Hours. You can observe instead of 6 it's coming 10. Why? Because I've set the hours as 10. Okay, and similarly you can try with these methods. It's very simple. Okay, let me show you set minutes. Okay, it's very simple. Set minutes. Okay, I'll pass the minutes as 80. I'll pass the minutes as set seconds. Let me show you set seconds. Go back and let me refresh. Okay, here you can observe what I've done is we are getting the output as 6, 19 and 20 seconds. What's happening here right now is, so 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So that 60 seconds is converted into 1 minute and it's been added to the minute. So it has become 19 there, and the left part is 20 seconds. So it is showing, instead of 0, it is showing there 20 seconds. Okay, this is what the set methods and get methods of date object going to do, and that's what we learned in this session. And finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter for further reference of our websites. We're on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.